What's up, gang? I'm back with another video, man. If you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. So today what I'm doing is I'm about to weld these mufflers and these collectors on these motherfuckers so this pumpkin pie can be quiet because it's too loud right now. I'm trying to put this thing on this, put my phone on this thing, so yes sir. But yeah, I'm welding this thing on pumpkin pie. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to get this together and try to get it up out of here today, man. It gotta go. I got too much shit to be working on right now, so I'm trying to get this thing out of here and get back on track. You know what I'm saying? So bear with me, guys. Oh, this only go up that far. But yes, sir. We got Bella back. Bella is ready. I'm gonna be driving that. And about to put these wheels on the El Camino right here. I'm gonna be driving that too, and I'm gonna repost that. As you can see, it got the grill in there already. And I'm gonna put the door poppers on, so there's no excuses on why a person don't want to buy it. But this motherfucker has got to go. It's been here too long. It's been here for a week and some change, so it gotta go, y'all. Get this thing up out of here and call it a day. You know what I'm saying? We had a little oil leak and we had to take the oil filter off to get the headers on. So I'm gonna check that and make sure it's tight. I got my oil filter tightener for this. So this car needs some work, but he said it's a real W29 442. And as you can see, it's in rough shape. The interior is actually not that bad. Belonged to one of the guys. He also has that 69 Trans Am that you've been seeing on my page, or that you've seen on my page. These are actually the lights for radio, which is the Malibu that I'm doing for myself that I'm not selling. And this car has brand new whatever the fuck them things called, brand new wheel wells and trunk pan, floor pan, and all that. So it needs quite a bit of work. But I think with a couple $100,000, it'll be okay. With a couple hundreds of thousands of dollars, it'll be okay. And it'll probably be worth a lot of money once it's done. I don't know if you can make a profit or you're gonna break even, but everybody's in it for profit. For right now, profit is crazy right now because it's very hard to find anything to get a profit off of. But you know, I think this thing comes out right here. Oh yeah, there we go. It comes out so I can make it taller. Excuse me, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna make this thing all the way taller. There we go. Oh shit. So it's now my height. What up, gang? I'm back with another video. Yeah. Let's get to it. Always try to wear a hoodie so I won't get that dirty. My arms won't get all dirty. Rest in peace. Knit. It's crazy what they did, isn't it? This motherfucker got a little. Where am I at on this? Let's go. Shit, man.
Fucking up sacks, my main thing. Give a fuck if you jack, nigga. All of my tank swing. Touch that, watch your brains hang. Put us on the map.